Bakat ya. Kita untuk materi sekarang gambar bentuk ya, gambar bentuk. Nah untuk kelas 10 media yang digunakan media kering. Media kering itu terdiri dari warna lanjut rayon. Nah ini media kering saja, tidak pakai campuran minyak atau untuk kelas 11 materinya pakai media basah, tangan dan air kita pilih.
Oke, baik teman-teman, para siswa sedang membuat sketsa. Bisa dilihat di sini objek still life. Objek still life bisa lihat kita susun sedemikian rupa agar terlihat artistik dan menjadi inspirasi buat anak-anak.
But the my canals are still searing from your words. No, I don't wanna stop interfering, but I wonder if all that's gonna do is make it worse. I think I'd be wrong to blame it all on you. Couldn't have known I wanted more than you could give. And though I never asked for anything from you, I was hoping I would get a little bit closer than I did. I turned into a shoulder you cried on. I never wanted it to go that way. I'm so foolish, wasting my time on you, thinking we'd end up together one day. Lady, you can carry on weeping, but your tears gonna hit the floor.
Oke teman-teman, bisa dilihat siswa BI sedang mengeksplor bentuk maupun warna menggunakan media kering maupun media basah.
Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.